My dear students, I am going to explain you the unique nature of a parallelogram. And this unique nature lies relating to the area of the parallelogram. You know that in a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and parallel. And this also you know that the area of a parallelogram is equals to base into altitude. Here altitude means height. And this altitude or height is what? The perpendicular distance between shorter sides or the longer sides. So in a parallelogram, base into altitude is calculated in two ways. One, when the base is a longer side and the perpendicular distance will be the perpendicular distance between those longer sides. And this perpendicular distance will be always smaller than the perpendicular distance between shorter sides. In a parallelogram I am talking. That means base into altitude. So if once you are supposing longer side as the base, then altitude will be the perpendicular distance between them which we are drawing from the vertex. Okay, and that will be equals to, this area will be equals to the base which we will take the shorter side, and altitude we will take the perpendicular distance between shorter sides which will be larger than the perpendicular distance between longer sides. So in both the cases you will find area will be same. So here you find four things are there: base as the longer side and perpendicular distance between longer sides is equals to base as the shorter side and the perpendicular distance between the shorter sides. So out of these four, if three things we know, fourth we can find out easily. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.